Here's the brake forward reverse driving light controller with the adjustable deadband. That's this blue rotary control. Hooked up to my servo tester and to a bunch of LEDs, which were meant for some other thing, but I've just temporarily put on labels, so where there's X's, there's no connection to those LEDs. Third means third brake light. Got a reverse light, a forward light, the brake / running light, and then always on, which is always on. So I'm going to have this set to 1500-ish. I'm going to, this button here will reboot the controller. And when it starts, it flashes the lights and it takes note of where the servo signal is. This is the brake position. It might be different on different vehicles, so it always takes note of it and uses that to figure out when to turn on the reverse and the forward lights. So I'll just turn it off, turn it on. We'll see the lights flash a few times. Once it's finished flashing, it's ready to use. So if I remember, this is the throttle, so I'm going to turn the throttle. Okay, here we're going in the forward direction. You notice the brake light went off. I'll go back to the brakes being on. See, the brake is on. It's now brighter. When it's going forward, it got dimmer. Back to brake. Go reverse. Again, the brake light gets dimmer. Sorry, it's an amber LED, but, deal with it. Back to the middle. And this is the adjustable deadband one, so it's set quite wide. So you have to, if you watch here, you'll see that it swings quite a distance before changing from forward to reverse. If I adjust the control, carefully, it's hard with one hand. Now I've got it set much tighter. See, I barely have to move the control to move between forward and reverse. Anyway, about the third brake light, it doesn't glow dimly when the brakes aren't on, it's just off. Whereas the brake light gets bright and dim depending if it's on or off to simulate a running light. Thanks for having a look.